start to install it. Just jump over that and then hit my